Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook chicken drumsticks, focusing on simple steps for delicious results. Start by thoroughly patting your drumsticks dry using paper towels. This helps create crispy skin. You can also trim any loose skin or excess fat if you prefer a leaner bite. While you prepare the chicken, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it is ready for optimal cooking. This initial preparation sets the stage for perfectly cooked chicken. For fantastic flavor, create a simple yet powerful seasoning blend. A great starting point includes 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and generous pinches of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Drizzle a small amount of olive oil over each drumstick, then massage the spice mix evenly onto all surfaces. This ensures every bite is packed with deliciousness. Carefully place your seasoned drumsticks in a single layer on a baking sheet, ideally lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Bake them in the preheated oven for approximately 35 to 40 minutes. Remember to flip each drumstick halfway through the baking time. This simple step promotes even browning across the skin and ensures consistent cooking, preventing any dry spots and locking in moisture. To guarantee your chicken is safely cooked, always use a meat thermometer. Insert it into the thickest part of the drumstick, away from the bone, making sure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once removed from the oven, let your drumsticks rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in incredibly tender and moist chicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.